going down to 5-4 from Atlanta to Lagos. My name is First Officer Remington Bishop. Today's a special day for me as a Nigerian-born citizen. It will be my first time out of the plane to Nigeria. Really appreciate everybody joining us on this flight as it is a milestone for myself. Today's flight time is going to take us about 10 hours, 30 minutes, and should be mostly smooth flights. Perhaps we might have some rough rides coming out of Atlanta because of the weather out there. We all see it's raining. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this flight with us. On that note, long day àti lágbà Akinyo. Let's pass for touring àjò Delta 54 láti ìlú Atlanta lọ sí ìlú Èkó. Ìrìnàjò ó bàrà níbi wákàtí mẹ́wàá àti àbọ̀. Láyọ̀ làgúnlẹ̀ ọ̀, ẹ ṣé púpọ̀. But there are people waiting back there. No, there you go. My name now, First Officer Remington Bishop. I just say make a greet now for tonight. About 10 hours, 30 minutes for the flight. Want to sit back, relax, and enjoy.
That's nice.
Awesome.